Good morning, everybody. Today is December 10th, 2025. If you weren't watching yesterday, kind of days in a row. Haven't had that happen in a while, but name of the game. I lost 2 accounts, so I just rebought them. $200. But it is what it is. We'll have to live with the consequences of our actions, right? There's multiple chances where I could have got a break even, but I didn't, right? Because not every strategy is 100%. Even though I have high conviction in my strategy, that's not going to be the overall, decision maker of do I stay trading or not, right? I have to be able to make conscious decisions. And that conscious decision is knowing when to trade and when not to trade. So, let's get this thing started. Let's look at the book map. Market open right now. Open up a little bit bearish. I'm not surprised. I mean, we're going to be extremely choppy for quite a bit. It looks like we're coming down to some key levels. Coming down to Monday's low. We already dropped about, the high was about 68.45 to 68.36, so 10 points, not big of a drop. But looks like our liquidity levels are all the way down to 68.30, which could be the main target for the open. I think I might target some QQQ shorts and what it looks like. Monday's low, previous day's low, and weekly low could be the target. But we're dropping fast too. Yeah, these contracts are expensive right now. Actually, I'm going to wait on these contracts. Yeah, from what it seems like, we're just shooting downwards. FOMC is today, so we'll see what the Fed does with the rates. There's about a 90% chance that the Fed will cut rates, which is good but bad, but just shows that, even though the market is doing pretty shitty, that they're still gonna ease on quantitative easing. But it is what it is. Well, sure, yesterday, I didn't really see any icebergs yesterday. I thought that was extremely interesting. No icebergs, just just half that move. This option expensive. Oh my god, that volume is insane. QQQ swept about points. So right here would be about 200. So restriction. I told you guys it's going to be completely choppy today. So looks like we're coming back up to 68.50. Not really any ice. There's a lot of stops getting swept. CVD's at negative 2,500. Seems to be holding buyers to a standstill. 68.30 still seems to be a highlighted zone. 68.50 is highlighting. 68.45 is pretty highlighted as well. Seems to be a little bit outweighed buyers. Discourse. Hold on. Okay. Still pretty bearish for this. I'm in some QQQ shorts. I expect this to stay bearish. Volume slowing down, so we're completely retracing the 1 hour, which I think could be a possibility, seeing how much buyers we see step in. So we sweep overnight, which I don't think that's really going to happen. Buyers are kind of struggling. Sellers are not really stepping out of the market as of right now. Seeing how much clean volume there is. I think we're going to get it up to 68.45 and reject. So we see that, seeing that being defended. 68.42 is being defended pretty well at overnight VWAP. So, oh, what the hell's going on? Oh, shit. That looks like half of the bookmap got cleared up. I'm only in for one QQQ con. I don't expect this bullish pressure to stay. Oh, wow. Okay, like the whole entire chart cleared up. We have a lot of highlighted zones to the downside. I'm going to stay in this QQQ position for right now. Triple Q. See what happens at 68.50. A lot of volume. Some sellers are stepping in. A lot of highlighters zones to the downside. I think it's going to be an extremely volatile day today. One of the last we're probably going to see in a while. I do expect this to shift bearish. For the short-term trend, trying to reach those downside levels. So I don't see anything else to the upside besides 68.80, but I think it's more of a probability for us to jump down 20 points to 68.20 than go up 40 points to 68.80. I think 68.80 is highlighted for FOMC. Still expecting 68.50 to get hit. See how well we defend that position. Yeah. So let's see sellers starting to pick up. Yeah, looks like 68.50 is going to be the defended zone. Barely swept opening range high. Now even. A strong break of opening range. But that position is being defended pretty well. I'm kind of in a bad spot with the QQQ puts. think I should be able to get away with the entry. I'm going to try shorts here. We have clear level targets. I'm going to sell 3 cons. My stop's going to be above 55. I'm going to put it at 58. Then I do have another limit buy at 68.42. Put me in a stronger position. So if we break below overnight, back down to New York. And it is falling a little bit now. Do have confidence it's going to reach that 68.30 level. It's in a pretty highlighted zone. A lot of volume, so pretty confident it can reach that level. Most buyers defend this position, but CVD can stay positive. Not that many buyers. They pretty much just retrace that move that just happened this morning. Wow, man, that's actually nuts. Yeah, sellers are really defending 68.50. So we see some icebergs, but we see no icebergs as of right now. I don't want the algos to kick in just yet. The volume really slowed down now. Like point of control, we do see a lot of sellers that step in. You have a volume node at 68.62, which is the session's point of control. But I don't know if we're going to reach that. I think it's a little bit too high. We do see a lot of buying activity, but not enough to sway what I see the market telling me. We're right at daily open. I mean, we just made a full, what's that, 30 to 50, so 20-point swing without any retracement. You know, very low, confidence that we wouldn't just retrace any of that movement. Seeing sellers start picking back up. be in for 5 more very soon if we don't bounce off the overnight completely retrace that move. Good thing I didn't enter anything more. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, boy, I think we might be in consolidation again. We do see outweighed sellers, more sellers than buyers, that's for sure. You don't really see any orders to the upside, they all got removed. Only thing that stayed is 68.30, so pretty high confidence play, in my opinion. Not risking too much. Only down $30 on my option contracts. Looks like QQQ is going to be bearish for right now. It retraced some of that 1 hour movement, but it looks like it's going to come back down to its low. Seeing sellers going to slow down here. It's not something you want to see if you want to see like a continued movement. Bounce off it overnight, so I don't see any orders getting created to the upside. So just waiting to see if that's going to be a continued movement to the downside. CBD is negative and falling. Trying to get those buyers out of there. We got a nice sustained push. Looks like some high space with input. Okay. Now I'm going to total for 8. Stop is above that high. I'm just banking on just a continuation. I'm in profit on my QQQ shorts. Looks like it's a good sustained movement for right now. As long as we don't sweep. Well, I see some stops getting swept, but not really. We'll see if 68.40 is going to be a defended zone. Seeing some buyers trying to defend it. See a little retracement. Nothing major. I'll take sprinting. Let's see some orders created at 68.47. Right at opening range. Oh wow, big volume spike. Take it slowing down a little bit. Not that aggressive buying. We'll come into some consolidation right here. But those buyers are getting swept a little bit. Oh god. Seller volume picked back up. We did get our first like big iceberg, so that's scary to see. More selling activity. CBD still negative and holding. Small retracement of the move. There we go. Got some bearish volume kicking in. Really kicking in. Oh god, okay. Ooh, that is my position. See what happens at 68.50. See if sellers can find that. Big defense zone from the sellers. Nice. Ooh, okay. See that move retrace. Come on. Some lovely retracement. That is a lovely retracement. Sixty-eight fifty is very nicely defended by sellers. CBD's climbing back up. Not much bullish pressure. This should be a sustained move. Yeah. See a lot of seller pressure coming on. CBD's jumping up. It's a low consolidated range for right now. I'm not loving this. Yeah. So between 68.44 and 68.53, it looks like it's just all dependent by seller volume. A little bit below that, it's going to be a lot of buyers. We have a lot of sellers between 34 and 38 on the session profile. But the biggest volume now is at 62. That's what's worrying me right now. That would be ultimately the best price. But right now we're just chopping around like crazy. I did expect this. But with the higher volume, you would think that we would break below. 630 is still extremely highlighted. 50 is kind of growing, but looks like it's just algos. CBD is still climbing upwards, still showing good seller pressure. 45 is really defended by the buyers, right at overnight VWAP. 250 gets defended. Big standstill. Whoever wins this battle gets the move they want. It's a big probability play. See some buy-eyes, some bigger orders stepping in. Still a very high confidence play. See this break below 45. Come on. It's there. I see it. It's really getting defended by the buyers, but I can see it break. I think there's a higher confidence of breaking 45 than there is 50. That's why I'm still in the short. Seems just to be more sellers in the market than buyers at this very point of time. Yeah. Most sellers are giving off at 50, which it looks like they might be. Yeah, they very much are. Sellers defending 50. See if it's a sustained sell off right here. Oh, they're just getting absorbed. I'm not liking how this is looking. Nice. Not nice. The fire stepping in. Seeing a sustained sell off, but we did. Shit, man. Oh, watching these algos play, man, is not very fun. Usually, training is like a stress relief. Just like coming in feels like fucking therapy. Now, oh my god, Lord help me. Biggest choppy consolidation, getting whipsawed to death. Like I'm just using wide stops now. Like I have to. Sellers are still defending 50, so for me it's still high confluence. Just hopefully I get some kind of sustained move to the downside in the next like 20, 25 minutes before it takes me out. Get some buy ice. That's not good. That's very not good. Yeah. I think this might take me out. Yeah, sellers are giving up. Alright, I'm out of this position, guys. I'm down 273 on this. Oh, another day, another loss. See what happens at 255. Wow, now it slips? That's nuts. I wonder how my QQQ positions are doing. Not terrible. Oh my god, that's crazy. As soon as I step out of the market. The second I step out of the market, actually. get the market sell-off in line. Right. I'll re-enter in at a better price. Oh, that was such an unneeded loss, dude. I step out of the position 1 minute too early. I like the volume that's coming in. Really? Oh, okay. Come on, let's do a sustained push. The one I called out for like 10 minutes. 10 minutes, more like half an hour. I should really defend this, man. Oh man, I just can't win. I just can't win, man. I'm getting whipsawed to death by algos. This is just nuts, man. nothing I could do, dude. Nothing I could do. That is just insanely brutal. And we swept that whole move. Okay. It's a lot of selling pressure. Okay. Really? Wow. This is just crazy, dude. I don't know what the hell I'm watching, man. I'm down almost 500 bucks for today. I'm not even playing with that many cons. There's literally nothing I can do. Like, I feel so fucking hopeless in this situation. Like, I know I'm making the right call 100%. This is a great, like, it was a great setup. Nothing has changed. It's just all algos. It's like there's nothing I can do about it. We can't move more than 5 points, you know? We get a nice little retracement downwards. We finally see volume picking up, and then boom, whips on. Like random buyers step in, just trying to get the best price. This is just a brutal watch, man. Oh my god, 6835 is not highlighted anymore. I just noticed that. These are just algo orders. That's nuts. Let's see if we retrace a little bit and we get out at the best price possible. Break even. That's nice. It's something going. Nope, never mind. Completely retrace that move yet again. One sustained move. That's all I asked for. Great bearish pressure. Looks like order post flipping bearish now. That's nice. See how we do in New York. Can we not retrace that, please? See volume picking back up a little bit. Come on, push a little bit for me. Just a little bit. That's nice. Come on. Oh, come on, dude. There's no way. Seeing massive sellers step in. Can't retrace down like 2 points. That's completely defended by the sellers. Oh, they're force switching bullish again. Hopes and dreams are erased. Just absolutely super bothering in my brain. What's this influx of buyers, bro? Are they really trying to defend this position? More sell less at New York and overnight. I see this sliding down right now. The TP1 at previous structure. We broke the little overnight VWAP. I think it's just a sustained move. Seeing some selling pressure come in. Nice. Come on. Just good volume coming back into the market. Come on. Keep pushing. A lot of sell eyes to be put down. That sell eyes being there gives me a little bit more confidence. Misplay. Nice. Come on, keep pushing downwards. Ooh, where's my option position? Let's see. $20 down. No, take me out for 5. one tick off. Come on, just push. One tick. Thank you. Made back some of my money. I'm at break even now. See this thing pushing lower though. Trail my stop a little bit. You see some volume coming in. I think it's gonna be a nice sustained move now. Nice. I see this thing still pushing. I want to see it reach 37. Come on, keep sliding. Almost at full daily take profit. Almost there. 2 points. Full daily take profit, guys. Fucking finally. Here's my options are also in profit. $72 on the QQQ shorts. I see this thing pushing lower. So it's still sliding. Got some selling pressure, but doesn't look to be sustained. QQQ is looking good. So it's coming at least Monday low. We might not see that. We're getting some kind of retracement. and Nasdaq sliding down. Should see this sustained move. This seems to be moving upwards. Nasdaq's probably staying the same. Ooh. Really stuck that well. Oh, looks like we might retrace that full move. Yeah, turn into its weekly VWAP. Doesn't look like a big retracement though. Oh, I guess we're getting a sustained move to the upside. That's not nice. Yeah. Nice. That 1 hour candle looks very sustained. Very good selling pressure in this 1 hour. I just don't like how this buying pressure, like algo buying pressure is taking over. CBD's at positive for the first time today. At the same time, that's why I think it's going to keep falling. CBD shouldn't be positive. I don't think they have a very big sustainable move to make. NQ is still falling. All those buyers are getting absorbed. I want QQQ to come down to 621 at previous day's low. I think NQ's driving ES down today. Most tech stocks are down. Oh, shit, man. $218 icebergs on an iceberg wall. 780, almost 1,000 sell ice. In this kind of market, that's huge momentum to the downside. 800, 1,000. I'm 100% holding this position now. $1,080. It's a manually input iceberg, not a sitting one. Should see this thing fall within the next 15 minutes. Or we completely retrace. That makes sense. Coming back up to high session? That's fucking ridiculous. What? Sellers are still going to defend 50 with their lives. My position's in the negative now. That kind of sucks. What the hell's this bullshit? Guess that sell ice is not doing anything. Alright. Yeah, cool. Well, this is fucking retarded. If you... Let's just go back down. that sell as is probably going to come in into play into the market very soon. Because there's literally no orders to the upside. Besides 68.80, but I still haven't even hit 68.20, which is 526 pounds. There's that reversal. Back positive for the day. Nice seller volume coming in. Back up in profit. Yeah, I think he's sliding. It's nice. It's really sustained. Yeah, too big of a move to completely retrace. Good sell eyes too. Got target orders to the downside. For me, it's a picture perfect play. $21.85 is the low bid for QQQ. The ES is still going to fall. It's going to fall until it hits those 68.30 levels. No, I don't even see any buy-eyes. Got nice sustained volume. Chargers defended 40, the key zone to defend. And keep slipping off the charts. The 25.580. We're ready to close this QQQ position very soon. I'll let it slip a little bit more. I think it's going to finally do the sustained move to 30 on ES. So for NQ, it's going to be a little bit lower than that. Oh, that's sweet. long sold. Up $111. You guys can see on this. I'm not going to hold it any lower. I think that'd be a little bit of a gamble. Especially since we retraced from that level before. But yeah, guys, very, very good day streaming today. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we get another one.